Hello students, welcome to abhyaasiitprep. In this video, we will discuss about JEE Mains 2026 morning shift of 23rd January. Okay, not only covering each subject, we will discuss about overall difficulty and expected performance trend. Let's get started. If we start with the section mathematics, it was moderate to difficult. Okay, it required 65 to 75 minutes. Coming to the topic wise distribution, 3 questions were asked from trigonometry and algebra, and 3 questions were asked from geometry 1, and 2 questions were asked from calculus 1. And also if you observe that algebra 2 6 questions were asked, and geometry 2 3 questions were asked, and calculus 2 which is 5 questions were asked. If you observe that from the calculus we got 7 questions, and if you observe that functional algebra 3 questions were asked. And compare, if you observe the question paper pattern, it was conceptual calculation intensive questions with multi-step solving, moderate length and strong alignment with PYQs. Comparing with previous year, it is slightly tougher due to increased question length and higher calculation load. Coming to the key insights, overall paper leaned to conceptual plus calculation intensive questions. Calculus in this paper dominated, contributing most to the difficulty and time consumption. Algebra offered moderate scoring opportunities with careful execution. Strong resemblance to two recent PYQs, especially in the question structure and difficulty. Performance depended more on accuracy and smart question selection. If you observe that this was about the mathematics section which is moderate to difficult about this section. Coming to the physics section, it was easy to moderate compared to the mathematics section which requires 45 to 55 minutes. If you see topic wise distribution, mechanics were asked 4 questions for part 1, and per part 2 we were 6 questions, and thermal physics were 2 questions, and wave and optics 4 questions, and electromagnetism were asked 6 questions, and modern physics 3 questions. And coming to the question paper pattern of this, syllabus based calculation heavy in mechanics 2 and electromagnetism, which we see scoring friendly in modern physics and wave and optics. Coming to the previous year, comparing with that, similar pattern and difficulty with calculation heavy. Okay, finally if we observe the key insights of this paper, nature of the questions were PYQ aligned, conceptual plus numerical, calculation in load in mechanics 2 and electromagnetism, scoring potential was high in modern physics and wave and optics. Shift comparison, balanced scoring like previous shifts easier than chemistry. Okay, a unique observation was minimal surprises, IP limited to measurement based questions. If you observe this was the analysis of physics section, which is easy to moderate compared to the mathematics. Coming to the chemistry section, it was moderate to difficult compared to the other subjects like mathematics and physics, which require 55 to 65 minutes. If you observe the topic wise distribution, inorganic chemistry were asked 6 questions, organic chemistry were asked 9 questions, physical chemistry were asked 10 questions. Coming to the question paper pattern, NCERT based paper dominated by multi-statement and mixed concept questions with assertion region, math the following and matrix type formats. Comparing with previous year paper, it was demanded stronger conceptual linkage with fewer direct NCERT sitters. And finally with the key insights, section was moderate to tough with lengthy and time consuming questions dominated by multi-step statements which assertion reason and also mixed concept problems. In organic chemistry introduced paragraph based reagent questions, which was a new trend. Challenging areas, tricky numericals and conceptually linked questions. If you observe the pattern trend similar to the JEE Main 2025 with match the following and matrix type questions. If you see overall of this paper, not a straightforward scoring section, accuracy and careful reading were crucial. This was about the chemistry section, and if you observe the overall paper, physics was the easy to moderate paper. And now if you see the main part of this paper, expected good score and cutoff analysis of the band score requires to get 99 percentile was 200. If you get 156, you will get 95 percentile, and for band score of 118 you will get 90 percentile. Okay, this was about the morning shift. Okay, if you observe that overall paper, you have to get 200 percentile, 200 marks for the 99 percentile. Okay, this was the overall analysis. For more details, we will let you know in the next video. Thanks for watching.